Hey everyone, welcome back to Raw Synergy. I am so excited because the Ultimate Raw Vegan Bundle is back. It is so jam-packed with brand new, never before seen recipes, books, courses, yoga courses. There's an introduction to sacred sound. There's a success course. It is so full of amazing content and I can't wait for you guys to check it out. I even got to take part in this by contributing an appetizer recipe to the group appetizer book. There's a group appetizer book that has over 40 incredible raw vegan appetizers, all low fat, without oil, and absolutely delicious. It's gonna shock you how much content you're getting for such a small price. And it's gonna add so much to your recipe collection, whether you're new to raw, whether you've been raw a long time, or whether you just enjoy eating raw recipes from time to time because you know how healthy and beneficial they are to your body. Today, I'm going to share with you all the recipes that I've been making from this bundle. So let's dive in so you can see exactly what you're going to get. Before I show you every single book and course that's in this bundle, I wanted to show you some of the things I've been making in the kitchen from the bundle this week. Like these rainbow colored wraps from Erin Stanzik. They are beautiful and paired with a red pepper hummus dip from The Dressing Difference by Drs. Karen and Rick Dina. Followed by a banana whip from Inspirational Exhilaration by Arnold Kaufman, which I topped with some caramel date sauce and sprinkled with some cashews and carob powder. This one was definitely husband approved, and I think it would be kid approved as well. It was a favorite.
Wow. Oh boy, I want more of this.
We've got some coconut flakes on there as well. These are the sun-dried tomato stuffed mini bell peppers that I contributed to the appetizer book. They're savory and delicious. There are loads of beautiful salads and salad dressings in this bundle. Big savory salads are always a favorite for me, so it's always fun to discover new dressings and salad ideas. This was a really fun pizza from Healthy Gourmet Raw Vegan by Edith Agustin. It's got a raw buckwheat crust that was super easy to make, and it held up great. Everybody loved it. The next thing I made was this carrot caraway flatbread by Miriam Henson. It was delicious, it was super easy to make, and I'll definitely be making this again. Look at these gorgeous buffalo cauliflower bites by Emma Raymond. Wow, so beautiful and flavorful. Okay, there are so many amazing desserts in this bundle, and these are just 3 of them. Here we have Snickers 2.0 and chocolate mousse from Raw Sweet Feast by Debbie Adler. Wow, they are so incredible. Rich, delicious, easy. And then we have this raw Weiss bar from Classics by Sky Conway. This was so good. It's made with mango. Of course I love it. Okay, if you're not convinced yet, let's get into every single item that's in this Ultimate Raw Vegan Bundle so you can see exactly what you're gonna get. Starting off with the Ultimate Raw Vegan Appetizer Favorites book. It's a collaboration of creators sharing their favorite low-fat raw vegan appetizers. With over 40 recipes in this one book, you'll have a ton to choose from. The next book is Smoothies and Spice and Everything Nice by Alana Minta Jordan. Inspirational Exhilaration and Excitement with Fruits by Arnold Kaufman. That's where this decadent dessert came from. Just saying. Make It Raw 2 by Chef AJ and Melissa Maris. This is an absolutely gorgeous recipe book, and I seriously want to try every single recipe in here. I think you guys are really gonna love this one. Next up is Cravings Busters Sweet and Savory Stews by Chris Kendall. Chris really knows how to pack in the healthy ingredients and make everything ultra flavorful. These stews look so tasty and very, very filling. He has a stroganoff and this Thai curry that I'm very excited to try. Do you guys remember when I interviewed Daniel McKinnon? Well, he's got a book in here called Raw Nation, Living Foods for the Masses. And the recipes look insanely amazing. He is an absolute genius in the kitchen. The things that he creates are absolutely gorgeous and so inspiring. Next up, 7-Day Chakra Expansion, a 7-day guide to awaken your physical and energy body by Darlene Jordan. I'll definitely be taking advantage of this 7-day guide. Here's a drool-worthy dessert book called Raw Sweet Feast by Debbie Adler. I made a couple of her recipes and they are so good. They were really simple and easy too. Dr. Douglas Graham and Ted Carr teamed up to create the 26 Raw Food Secrets. You've got the dressing difference, how dressings can increase the nutrient content of your salads by Drs. Karen and Rick Dina. Healthy Gourmet Raw Vegan by Edith Agustin, which includes 30+ oil-free raw food recipes, plus resources and tutorials to help you thrive on a raw vegan diet. I showed you her pizza earlier that I made from this book, which was a big hit. Following Nature Home, Raw Truths Uncovered on My 20+ Year Fruitarian Odyssey by Ellen Livingston. 7-Day Raw Vegan Reset by Raw Vegan Emma. 5-Star Salad Revolution, Unlocking the Science of Salads to Eliminate Cravings, Binging, and Self-Sabotage by Matt Bennett. Vegan from Birth, A Breastfeeding Guide by Emily Kay. Newborn Manual, How to Become a Mom and Not Go Crazy by Emily Kay. Autopilot Your Raw Vegan Success, a mini course by Happy Raw Rennie and Jesse Bogdanovich. Ashtanga Yoga course by Julia Sana. How I Cleared Over 25 Years of Cystic Acne in Just 3 months without drugs and the acne never came back by Karen Ramsey. Introduction to Sacred Sound, Exploring Practice with Harmonium and Voice by Kavita Kat McMillan. My Gentle Kitchen, Raw Vegan Recipes for a Kinder World by Lori Germain. There are 23 unique and beautiful recipes in this book. There's definitely some I want to try here. Next Level Pasta Recipes by Lena Nuruther. This book looks so good. She actually has some special recipes for raw vegan homemade pasta in this book, which look amazing. As an Italian who grew up on pasta, I definitely want to try these. A 10-day introduction to DBT skills for going or staying raw vegan. This is a course offered by Lexi Tavares. Manifest Your Dream Life by Louise Koch. 34 Lessons in the Law of Attraction. This book is beautiful. The images she chose are so pleasing to the eyes and just makes you want to keep reading through to each lesson. This next offering is 2-in-1. You get 2 workout books, the Booty Building book, and a guide to your first pull-up by Madison Murphy. Melissa Maris really outdid herself with her hand salads book. She shows you step by step how to make these beautiful, savory, mouth-watering wraps in this new book of hers, and it is gorgeous. Look at these photos. You just want to reach out and grab it and take a huge bite. Next up, Food Freedom Course, a step-by-step guide to help you say goodbye to food restrictions and hello to freedom in body, soul, and spirit by Miriam Henson. Raw Vegan Kitchen Essentials e-course by Nathan Maris. Asian Sweets and Treats. This is an online course offered by Raw Chef Yin. Raw Vegan and Hawaiian Plant-Based Recipes by Raw Coconut Girl. She's created all kinds of beautiful recipes like this pizza and lasagna, along with some beautiful sweet treats as well. And no, we're still not done yet. You've got the Worldwide Fruit Festival Guide by Ronnie Smith, Fruity Raw Miracle Love Recipes by Roya Cheyenne, I Put Love in My Body by Sashiko Tazaki, Classics by Sky Conway, classic raw vegan recipes like this raw pumpkin and pesto cannelloni, raw kebabs, raw strawberries and cream pancakes, wow, raw Chinese veggie pieces, looks so good. The Raw Energy Reset by Stacy Heine, The Protein Myth by Taylor DeBoer, Ted Carr's Gym Plus Bodyweight Workout Guide, 7 Simple Steps to Unlimited Energy by Wendy Vandergrinten. You get 7 workbooks, 7 videos, and a 7-day meal plan. Okay, so you can see it's a ton of amazing content. You're getting 40 plus books and courses, over 400 recipes, $1,800 worth of product for only $50. It's only available until May 11th, so don't wait. Click the link below and get it right now. If you're ready to transform your life, to get healthy, to have beautiful, glowing, clear, gorgeous skin, to have a healthy body, do not wait. This deal will be gone before you know it and you will not be able to get it again. You need to get this bundle because it has everything in it to help you succeed on a raw food lifestyle.